Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and in this video I want to talk about the differences between a microprocessor and a microcontroller. So over here where we see Intel Core i7, this is a microprocessor used for desktop or mobile phone and your Raspberry Pi. And over here is a microcontroller which is used for electronics such as a microwave. So as you guys can see, these two are completely different to each other. So we're going to talk about firstly about the CPU, also known as a microprocessor. So if a microprocessor is used to process data, a huge amount of data into a desktop computer. So it could be to download a file, it could be to open up a game and to be able to play a game, and it could be basically allows you to watch some YouTube videos. So all that a CPU does is that it processes instructions so that way you can do activities on the computer. So yeah. Whereas a microcontroller is used to build electronics, such as a microwave. And it normally only needs like one instruction to do, so as you guys can see, for chip over here, it's going to be a lot slower and it can only process one instruction at a time. But yeah, this is mostly focuses on building electronics, as you guys can see. So it doesn't require an operating system at all, whereas the Intel i7, which is a microprocessor, normally does need an operating system because it's used for desktops and stuff. But this one is just go straight for code, whereas this one will just boot up to an operating system. So this is ideal for making electronics, whereas this one ideal for basically for a desktop, which needs to process a large amount of data and doing loads of multitasking. And whereas this one is used to do one instruction at a time, and it's kind of a lot slower than a CPU, but is used for electronics. So these are for two differences between a CPU and the microcontroller. If you guys are wondering what CPU I'm running the, let me just run the command neofetch, and the speed of my CPU is 3.400 gigahertz. So the higher up the number is, a lot faster it is, and we can overclock it if we truly wanted to, but I don't recommend doing that as that could cause issues for your computer. But I'm running Intel i5 2400 on my CPU. And on my microcontroller, I got a Raspberry Pi Pico W, which is basically a Raspberry Pi Pico, but with wireless abilities, so that way we can connect to the internet and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I like about microprocessors and microcontrollers, is that they are both used for different things. And at college at the moment, I'm learning about microcontrollers, so I'm going to do like a whole videos on the microcontrollers and basically talking about making projects, and I'll be following some tutorials on making some projects. So if you guys are interested in watching me build some projects with a microcontroller, please see so down in the description down below. If you guys like watching this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.